Alright, dog, just try not to do that move too many times. Yeah, that move. All you gotta do is quarter circle forward. Nah, not halfway. You gotta do a quarter way. Yeah, dog, and try not to use your special too much. That's punishment. Uh-huh. Yeah, wait, hold up. I just heard something. I could have sworn I thought I heard something. Hey, what's up, man? Nah. It looked like it wasn't nothing. Yeah, but I'm actually finna go get ready for work, though. Alright. Bro, again? Yo, what is that? Oh my god, bro, what is that noise? Alright, whatever, I'm tripping. Alright, let me take this shower. I forgot to grab a towel. Hey, yo, how you get in here? Okay. I can see why this will look strange, me being in your house, but there's a very logical reason for me being here. Hey, get back here! Hey, what are you doing in my house? Hey! Hey, stop! Stop, come back!